can hear everything. What's happening with the gears?
No, no, yeah, it's
Yeah, very mechanical.
Oh. Wow, so it's still hot. Okay. So I think most things are still quite warm. I'll still give it a lap to come in. So what have you been out in so far today?
Just James's 220 trophy.
Oh, I see, okay.
Yeah, I've not been out in the morning. I didn't go out in anything.
This is the corner that tells me it's time to leave it,
when
because when I suddenly start
washing out a bit,
when I start just pushing a bit, I need to back off. The front tyres have gone then.
My favourite.
Sorry?
This is my favourite now.
So you've driven around here?
Yeah, in a Fiesta.
Okay.
I had a 1 litre turbo Fiesta, 140 horsepower.
Oh right, yeah. Oh, they're fantastic things.
Yeah,
then.
Brilliant. I upgraded the brakes. I put BS2 500s on it and a little induction kit. So when we brought it here, it was brilliant. We was out braking a lot of the 197s, but on the straights there was
right.
No, it was good fun. The brakes on it were it was over braked for the car, but it was good fun.
Yeah.
Disco as well.
Yeah. Well, we won't see either of those two again. But we'll start upping the pace a bit. Give it a few laps and see if anything breaks. Really bad tyres, it's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
No.
It stops well, doesn't it?
It's these EBC orange stuff pads, they are night and day different to the blues. I just got to be patient here. Yeah, they're really, really good. I've had not wanting him to fade all day long. Tyres, I might just be able to get through that flat, but
yeah.
There's no way I can do that second bit. So is that?
Pardon?
Is that James?
Might be, yeah. Yeah.
For lap time, I don't fancy
No.
knocking my suspension to hell.
It's this bit here, I'm like thinking we're getting faster and faster, and I'm like, when are we going to brake, when are we going to brake?
Yeah.
Mental. So good.
I've just realised I can take more speed through
Yeah.
there because there's a lot more exit. And I spent the entire morning not really realising that bit was there. And like this one as well, you can
Loads of
actually
people
take a
don't
lot
want-
in here.
Yeah, loads of people don't do it. They used to have a cone out here, what you could aim for, they've took it away.
Oh, really? Fade at all. It's just I can lock the wheels anytime I want, but then is that more because of the useless tyres?
Have you purposely put these tyres on there?
I bought these 17s with them on.
Yeah.
These are 17-inch rims.
So you're just killing them off?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. They're Mercedes rated tyres. See, I wasn't sure we were going to get stopped then.
Sorry.
Yeah, so I want to get these off and then get some proper Porsche N-rated tyres on them.
Yeah.
So that I can feel what Porsche wanted this car to feel like on the 17-inch rims.
Yeah.
Because I know what it feels like proper tyres on the 18s, because that's what I've got at home.
Yeah.
This is a lovely flowing bit. Jumping
Yeah.
on the front axle.
Well recovered.
Nah, I can feel the fronts going again. Do you know what? I'm going to cool down for the rest of this lap and then the lap after, because it concerned me how long it was just sat there with the fans blowing.